Hello, my name is Braulio Alvarado Diaz. I'm a graduated chef from Le Cordon Bleu, Peru. I got experience cooking. I work here in 2 restaurants, and also I just work 2 different restaurants also in the US, in the state of Nevada. And as the title of the video says, I'm gonna teach you the perfect Lomo Saltado. So what do we need to make the Lomo Saltado? Here are the ingredients. We need beef loin, got it right here. We need green onion, cilantro, tomato, onion, yellow ají. It's kind of look like chili pepper or the chile from Mexico, and yellow potato. With this we're gonna do french fries. And also to seasonate we need salt and pepper, a touch of vinegar, pisco, and soy sauce. Okay, so first of all we need a sharp knife. Alright, so first I'm gonna cut the beef in squares of 3 to 4 centimeters. Like this. Okay, so now I'm cleaning the knife on the cutting board because we don't want the cross contamination. And now I'm gonna cut the tomato. First I'm gonna clean it. And now I'm gonna cut it in thick parts. Like this. And now I'm gonna separate it because we don't want thick parts in the plate. Ají, I'm gonna cut it in julienne. But first I'm gonna clean it inside because we don't want it too spicy, because it tastes like similar as the chili of Mexico. This, I'm gonna take it out. And now cut it in julienne. I'm gonna cut the yellow potato to make the french fries. Like this size. Okay, now I'm gonna chop the cilantro. Gonna make it like a little bowl to chop it easily. Only one time, because we need all the flavor. Same with the green onion. Okay, now I'm gonna fry the potato, so we need a generous amount of oil. Like this. And now I'm gonna turn on the kitchen. We're gonna wait until the oil's hot, and then I'm gonna put up the potato. Okay, so now that the oil's hot, I'm gonna put in the potato. We're gonna wait 4 to 5 minutes until it's done, when the potato is gonna be with the color of golden brown. Now I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. And there is it, beautiful yellow potato fries. Okay, so the first thing that we need is that the pan has to be really hot. We're gonna put a touch of oil, and now we have to wait until it's smoking. So this dish has a particular order. First we need to cook the meat, then we're gonna put the onion with the yellow ají, and in the end we're gonna put the tomato with the cilantro and the green onion. Why? Because we need the tomato has to be with the texture. We don't want it fluffy or mushy. Okay, so now that it's smoking, I'm gonna seasonate the meat with salt and pepper. And now I'm gonna put it in the pan. It has to be with a brown color. Now I'm gonna put in the onion and the yellow ají. A little seasoning. We're gonna put the vinegar, the pisco, and now the tomato. And now the soy sauce. As you can see, it's a very quick dish, very easy, and it tastes very delicious. And now, in the end, cilantro and green onions. Okay, so now, first I'm gonna put French fries. And now, with the Lomo Saltado. And there is it, Lomo Saltado with French fries.